Today on World Famous Foods with Mr. Naz. Andouille sausage and tortellini. Let's go. Let's get our onions in here. So we're gonna add some Kashmiri Chili Powder. A little bit of some Garam Masala. And some Tumeric. Let me just say happy birthday to Rashawn Robinson, one of my fans. Happy birthday, dude. So now you can get to cook this for your family, probably for your mom. Matter of fact, today's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, all the mothers out there. Okay, Rashawn, do this and show me what you got, buddy. We're gonna add some green cardamons right here. Just put 2 of them in there. And our sausage. Some ginger garlic paste. Add that in there. Add some water. Bring this to a boil. Okay, folks, we got some habaneros. Along with, look at this, baby, Scotch Bonnet powder. Put some of that in there. Nice little kick, you know? It's a nice little kick. I'll put some better than Bouillon. Gotta continue to boil. All right, now we're gonna add our tortellini. We're gonna cook this for 10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes up. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Look at that. There we go. Look at this. Okay, time to plate. Okay, folks, here we go. World Famous Foods, Andouille sausage and tortellini. See that? Happy birthday, Rashawn.